It is Dude DIY, back again with an actual DIY for the first damn time. So, if you saw last video...
2 videos ago, actually.
Somebody roasted me.
I think that's fake money right there.
You're recording.
You're recording?
Yes.
Okay, so we are going to make a cheesecake that is kosher for Passover, matzo crust, ganache filling, cheesecake, and creme brulee top. You have anything to add?
Oh, I had stuff to add. That's 4 times we did it. Replay.
Flashback.
What am I saying? What this is?
It's recording.
So, for... No one cares.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Sing with me. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Guy.
I was recording that.
That's juice, or whatever it is, creation. Oh! That's on your iPad. You joke.
Karma's a bitch. The very next evening.
And now, what you've all been waiting for. If you want to cringe and you want to have fun, Kate's Cringe Camp. Kate's Cringe Camp. Yeah!
So, okay, so I woke up, oh, the cat. Okay, so I woke up pretty early, so Milo isn't awake, because the cheesecake needs to be refrigerated overnight. So I'm going to be going back and forth from the back to the kitchen, because we need to blend stuff, and it's really loud. So I'm going to be doing, that's the only really part I'm going to be doing in there. So I'm going to get the ingredients and put them in the blender, and then I'll show you it afterwards. Okay, so we have all the ingredients in front of me. I needed semi-sweet chocolate chip bars. Sorry, the lighting's kind of weird. We couldn't find bars, so I got semi-sweet chocolate chips and milk bars, and I'll see which one we want to use. Brown sugar, Philadelphia cream cheese, eggs, matzah.
Butter, heavy whipping cream, kosher salt, milk, cane sugar, cornstarch, and vanilla extract. So, for the, let me see what, the crust, you need the matzah and sugar, brown sugar, and the salt. So that's what I'll be putting in.
I'm just chopping up this is milk actually, and then I have semi-sweet chocolate chips. And so we're making like a ganache for over the crust. So here we have 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I think here I have all of the ingredients blended, and I'm going to add melted butter. What are you doing? I'm adding the eggs one at a time. It's not going well, so I'm just gonna have to.
Oh Lord, look what's coming up. The blowtorch.
Más bueno.
In the hot water.
You puede just hacer aquí.
Hot water. What is this supposed to do?
We're gonna bake it with it for 20 minutes. So the cheesecake is out of the oven. It got no cracks, which for cheesecake is really hard to do, so I'm really happy. The cheesecake is out of the oven. We put it in the oven for 20 minutes at 400 degrees, then turn the oven down to 300 and did that for 80 minutes. And now we're letting it chill for an hour before we do the creme brulee top.
So we're trying to get this off, but it's kind of failing right now. How long did you put in the refrigerator, Kate?
It's less than it said.
Excuse me, hon? It said overnight, didn't it?
Yes. I made cheesecake.
It's very strange. Some sort of plate? Ew. So today is Kate's, here's Kate's wonderful cheesecake.
It's not finished, you ruined it.
Oh, I ruined it! I'm gonna do those cinematic, like, cool, like, whipped cream shots. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do.
Putting it in the fridge. Ah, isn't it so beautiful?
It looks so amazing.
Is it good at least?
She's actually eating that? Was it good?
No.
Do it DIY, that's the end of the vlog. So, tomorrow's vlog is, actually no, not tomorrow. The day after tomorrow, no, it's Tuesday. Vlog is out. Do DIY. T-vlog made a diss track and react to my song. Tuesday's vlog. Bye.